Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're building a website on Wix and you want to showcase your photos in a beautiful, easy-to-navigate album, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a photo gallery to your Wix site using the new Wix Pro Gallery. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to upload your images, customize how they appear, and make your gallery not only look fantastic but also work smoothly for your visitors without any tricky steps or hidden features. So, let's get started. It's worth mentioning right up front, Wix used to have a feature called Wix Photo Album, but that's no longer part of the platform. Don't worry though, it's actually been replaced with something even better called Wix Pro Gallery. The Pro Gallery is more modern and streamlined, making it simpler for you to create stunning displays of your photos. First, let's dive in by heading to the Wix App Market. On your Wix website dashboard, look for the App Market option along the left-hand sidebar. It's usually where you add extra features like forms, chatbots, and of course, galleries. Click into the App Market and search for Wix Pro Gallery. You'll see it pop up with an option that says Add to Site. Just click that button. This step might take a few moments, especially if your connection is a bit slow. Don't worry if it seems to hang for a second. Wix is just integrating the gallery into your site. Once the gallery is added, you'll see it appear on your page, often in a default format. At this point, go ahead and click Settings for your Wix Pro Gallery. This is where you get to customize how your album will look and how visitors will interact with it. You'll find options for the layout, grid, masonry, collage, and more. Take a moment to play around with these settings and see what fits your style or branding best. For example, if you're creating an art portfolio, you might want a clean grid. If it's for a travel blog, a collage might tell your story better. Don't be afraid to experiment since you can always change it later. Now, let's add your actual photos. Click Manage Media. This is where you upload the images you want to feature. When you hit Add Media, you can bring in photos from your computer, your Wix account storage, or even from stock image libraries. If you have a lot of photos to upload, consider adding them in batches. This makes things a bit easier to organize. After uploading, you're not just putting up pictures. You're giving each image details that make your gallery work well for both visitors and search engines. For each photo, you'll notice fields for a title, description, alt text, and even a link. Adding a clear title helps viewers know what they're looking at, while a short description can add context. For example, explaining where a photo was taken or what it represents. The alt text is important for accessibility and SEO. It's used by screen readers and search engines to better understand your images, so make it descriptive but concise. If you want visitors to be able to click through to another page or external website, you can add a link to any image. This works great for businesses showcasing product photos or bloggers linking to related posts. And that's really all there is to it. You've now got a fully custom Wix Pro Gallery on your site. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect at first. You can always adjust layouts, text, or photo order until you're happy with how it presents your work. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I check them often and I'm happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy Wix tutorials, tips, and website building guides. Until next time, happy creating!